Running out of USB ports on your PC? Today I'm showing the best PCIe USB expansion cards to add more ports, faster speeds, and better performance in minutes. Check the product links in the description below for specs and latest prices. Let's jump in. Product 5 7-port Super Speed USB 3.0 PCIe card 5 Gbps. Sick of waiting an eternity to transfer a single file? And your PC only has 2 dusty USB ports? Watching progress bars like paint drying. Relatable, tragic, slow. Meet my secret weapon. FebSmart FSU7 Pro PCIe USB expansion. 7 Super Speed USB 3.0 ports, because one is lonely. Renesas-powered 5 Gbps backbone. 7 ports share thunderous 5 Gbps. Works on Intel, AMD, ARM desktops, broad compatibility. No extra PSU cables down. FebSmart feeds ports from motherboard. Each port up to 5 V2A, charge and power. Built-in fuses and stabilizers protect your devices and data. Plug-in NVMe enclosures, cameras, VR rigs, streaming setups. Just need an empty PCIe X1 slot. Simple. Not for slim PCs or Mac lovers. Sorry, not sorry. 8 pros, creators, power users, we've all upgraded. Check the product link in the description to see full specs, compatibility details, and the best current price. Product 4 PCI to USB 3.2, card 20 G 7, port 4A 3C hubs. My desktop screamed for more ports and faster transfers. External hubs lagged, cables tangled, deadlines burning like wildfire. I thought I was doomed to slow backups forever. Then I found a silent little card inside my case. 7 ports, 4 Type A, 3 Type C, an instant equipment army. 20 gigabits total, 2 10 gig channels. Speed unleashed. Plug internal via PCIe, rock solid connection, no hub drama, no external power adapter, bus powered with 5 V12A headroom. Install driver first, then insert. Trust me, it's essential. Beware, vertical USB-A and full height bracket may need checking. Not for tiny 1U or 2U chassis, measure before buying. Compatible with Windows, macOS, Linux. Creative workflows restored instantly. My external SSDs screamed at 10 Gbps per port individually. No PD charging, no video pass-through, pure data transfer focused. If you crave speed and stability, install this card. Check the product link in the description to see full specs, compatibility details, and the latest pricing. Product 3, StarTech.com. 5-port USB PCIe card. Imagine 4 USB-C 10 Gbps ports appearing from a PCIe slot. Plug in, transfer massive files at blistering 10 gigabit speeds. StarTech's 5-port USB PCIe card, compact powerhouse for creators. 4 external USB-C ports plus internal USB-A, all 10 Gbps, single PCIe X4 connection, unlocks high bandwidth desktop and server, I/O ASM3142 controller delivers. Reliable sustained transfers for raw video editing. Optional. SATA power supplies, up to 15 Ws per USB-C port. Internal USB-A header provides fast, convenient internal drive connectivity. Fits PCIe X4, X8, X16 slots. Low-profile bracket included drivers, auto-install across Windows, Mac OS, and major Linux distributions. Works with Intel, AMD, and Apple Silicon platforms seamlessly. Ideal for 8 pros, system builders, content creators handling large files. Pre-installed bracket, rugged enterprise design, built for intensive workflows, plug-and-play speed, backup, edit, transfer, without bottlenecks. Upgrade desktop I/O today. Check the product link in the description to see full specs, compatibility details, and today's best price. Product 2, StarTech.com. 4-port USB PCIe card. Tired of slow USB transfers ruining your workflow and creativity? External drives crawling, cameras lagging, and cables everywhere, so frustrating. Upgrading meant multiple cards, wasted slots, and performance drops. Meet StarTech 4-port USB 3.2 Gen 2 PCIe card, 2 USB-C and 2 USB-A ports, 10 gigabit speeds, up to 10 Gbps per port, lightning fast transfers, no bottlenecks. Dual ASM3 142 controllers deliver up to 20 gigabits total. Backward compatible with USB 3.0, 2.0, and legacy devices. Add SATA power for stable performance with power-hungry peripherals. I installed it in a single PCI slot quickly. Transferring 100 GB video finished in minutes, not hours. Perfect for content creators, gamers, and busy IT professionals. Full profile PCIe X4 install. Works across Windows, Mac OS, Linux. Free lifetime tech support, and 2-year StarTech warranty included. Upgrade your desktop workflow. Grab the StarTech USB card. Check the product link in the description to see full specs, compatibility details, and today's best price. Product 1 Eluteng PCIe USB 3.0, card 7 ports. Always running out of USB ports when you need them? Tangled hubs, slow transfers, and devices losing power mid-backup. External drives crawl at USB 2.0 speeds, wasting time. Meet Eluteng 7-port PCIe USB 3.0 expansion card. 7 Type A ports up to 5 Gbps per port. Independent 2-phase power module supplies each port reliably. Built on NICE MPD 72021 7202110 chips for stable transfers. 7 solid conductive polymer capacitors ensure low ESR, long life. Fits PCIe X1, X4, X8, X16 slots. Backward compatible with USB 2.0. Plug and play on Windows 10-11. Drivers for older systems. Before, slow USB ports, failed backups, constant frustration. After, 7 fast ports, reliable power, faster workflows. Perfect for creators, streamers, editors, and demanding desktop users. Install in minutes. Low profile and full height brackets included. Upgrade your PC's USB now. Add 7 super speed ports. Check the product link in the description for full specs, compatibility, and current pricing. If this helped you, like the video, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more useful tech picks.